priceless gem, calm and beautiful, like the angels above. This is how I describe your love. Precious, gentle, and complete. A perfect treasure God chose for me. A dream I've never dreamed before. An amazing love I would die for. Fearless and truly one of a kind. The greatest love I will ever find. A love so tender, yet powerful. Truly, you are unforgettable. I thank God you are the one, my priceless gem, my darling son, dedicated to my wonderful son, Kyle. Read heartfelt poetry like this and more in author Lorna Edwards' collection, Poetry of Life. Now available to buy via her website, www.lornaedwards.org.